Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So another turbo video today. Today is a very exciting day because we are actually officially starting the turbo build. So today I'm going to be doing the cold side intake piping for the intercooler. So taking out all this stuff here and putting in the new piping and then working out a way to get it from the engine bay into the front bumper. So that's what's entailed for this video today. I just got a few tools. All we should need for now, just to get all that stuff out, is a Phillips head screwdriver, a flat blade screwdriver, and a small socket set as well. So yeah, we got a bolt there and two up there to get this box out. And then there's a bolt there which is already undone, and then yeah, just undoing all your hose clamps to pull that off. So yeah. Also, I haven't actually shown you guys this yet. I put it on my story a while ago, but I haven't actually revealed it. So you guys probably remember from my Instagram story this box that was in the boot of the FG. So yeah, I'll actually show you what is in it. So if we open it up, we've got a set of Plazmaman intercooler piping. So we've got a Plazmaman sticker there, which we'll probably put somewhere in the engine bay when we're done. So yeah, very nice intercooler piping and blue elbows. 3-inch piping. So yeah, very, very cool. So that's what's going in the EF for its intercooler piping. Alright, so to start off with, we're just going to get all our hose clamps undone. So these ones, these ones, these ones, and these ones. And then we'll undo all our bolts and pull this off. So what we want to do is undo the original one around the throttle body, because we're going to get rid of that. And then we'll just undo these ones here. These ones here. And then this one just down here. So you can either use a 8mm socket or a flat blade screwdriver. It doesn't really matter. Both will get them undone, and they're not very tight. So once all that's undone, we'll undo all our bolts, and then we should be able to slide it off. Alright, so now we're just going to undo all our bolts. We'll only get the ones off the intake piping for now, and then we'll do the intake box after. So we've got this one up here that's on our rocker cover. So we'll just undo that. It's not very long, we'll pull that off. And then we'll undo the one that's down there. I've already got mine off at the moment. So it's only 2 bolts that actually hold this down, so we'll be able to lift all that off now and just maneuver it. So we'll start off up here and we'll just pull off each of those tubes and then just whack that one off the throttle body there. And that's our first piece off. So that's actually going to go on display in my room because it's got Chaz Mossets and Scott McLaughlin signatures on it from the V8 Supercars Championship. So that's worth a bit of money to me. And yeah, so then once we're done here, we'll just be able to lift that up and off, just like that. And there we have it, a bit more exposed, doesn't look as cool, but it will look cool once the intercooler piping's in. Alrighty, so I've undone the 3 bolts that hold this in now, so I've just chucked them up here. They're just 10mm bolts as well. So once we undo that, that will just lift it out, and we'll just maneuver it past, actually no, sorry, you got to take the snorkel off first, I missed that. So that's just 2 Phillips heads bolts. Let's undo that one. And undo that one. And that'll lift it out like that. Put that down there. And then this will just come straight out like that. There we go. Alright, so we got our 2 pieces here. So this is our crossover, so that's going to go up there. And then this one's going to go down to there. I may have to swap out some piping with some other universal piping just to try and get it to fit, but this was the main piece I wanted out of the kit as well. So we'll start off by getting this one in. So the kit comes with your pipes, elbows, hose clamps, vacuum line, and everything like that. So we've got our big elbow here, so we've got our big side that goes onto our throttle body, and then our little side that goes onto our intercooler piping. So that will just go up onto there, and then we'll clamp it on, and then clamp that on, and so on. We'll start off by getting this one on. Stop recording. Alrighty. So now that's on, I've done the clamp on it, like just to firm so I can still rotate it if I need to. Now we've got our other clamp on there, so I'll fit our crossover piece on there now. So that will just pop in, a bit of manoeuvring. Just like that. And we'll just bring that hose clamp back to the edge. Push that in just a little bit further, just so it really clamps on. Like that, and then we'll tighten our clamp up. Just like that. That's our first piece on. So then we'll just have our other piece, which will come to there, and we'll just slip this elbow on with it. Just like that. And then we need our next piece to go down to there. Alrighty guys, so I've had to take the bumper off because I just needed to check and do a little playing around and stuff, but I found the most economical way to get it through. So I've got my pipe sitting there and it has come through there. What I had to do was I actually had to cut a hole through there, closer to the curved edge, just to get it past that ABS unit down there, just because the plug on it gets in the way. But that's currently in through there. So what I'm going to do now is go to Super Cheap and buy a few extra little bits for this side, just a little extender piece so I can angle that and get all that connected up there. I'm going to buy a little 90-degree piece, just so I can connect out there into the intercooler, and then that'll be the cold side done. I'll tidy it all up that area, make it look better, and that'll be it for this video. And then yeah, I'll work on the hot side after I get the turbo in, because obviously the turbo's got to go in first, so I know how to get the hot side in. So yeah, alrighty guys, so we're back from Super Cheap. I got myself a little 76mm angle piece, which is there, and a little 76mm just extension piece, which is there. So there to there, down through to there, around and to there. So that is our cold side done. So I'm just going to put all the clamps on now. I may have to go back to Super Cheap and buy some more clamps because I just need some bigger ones for those 76mm pipes, because they're slightly bigger than the actual Plazmaman ones. But yeah, so I'll try and clamp everything as much as I can together now, and then probably have to go back to Super Cheap and buy some more. So yeah, alrighty guys, so I've got the bumper back on now. Got our intercooler piping sticking out there. I slipped a little bit with the thing, but that's okay because I'm repainting the bumper anyways. So yeah, got that coming up in through there. So I'm just going to chuck some hose clamps on that and pack it all up.